to let it show. 'Cause babe, I'm into you. We've been on and off, in and out, up and down too many times. Now it's time. Show me what you got. Some say that it's the little things, I say that it's a big old ring. Anything to hear you say I do. It ain't the way that you see me. It ain't the way that you kiss. It ain't the way that you please me. It's just the way that it is. The way that it is. Baby, you had me running blind. It's time for you and me, baby, to make up our minds. Some say that it's the little things, I say that it's a big old ring. Anything to hear you say I do. It ain't the
stuck in the past, you told me. All I ever wanted was a home. So why do you leave? Where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive, figure it out, calm your fears and drown your doubt. But I gotta know, where do you go? Why do you leave me lonely? Even when I'm staring you right in the eye. You are my one and only, and I'm leaning for the rest of my life. So why do you leave? Where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive, figure it out, calm your fears and drown your doubt. But I gotta know, where do you go? Is there a way to write the ending? Am I too late to change your mind? Why do you leave? Where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive, figure it out, calm your fears and drown your doubt. Why do you leave and where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive and figure this out, calm your fears and drown your doubt. But I've gotta know, yeah, I gotta know, where do you go? Where do you go?
The thing about giving your heart away is hoping love will never die. But life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination on the left.
If you want to take the best of me, I won't stop you if you try. Why not take the rest of me? 'Cause all that's left are just these crying eyes. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, just cry, cry.